Day number 2, we woke up to the beautiful island of Kauai. Look at how steep these cliffs are. These cliffs reach 4,000 feet high. Jurassic Park and King Kong have used this as a backdrop in their movies. There are no roads to this part of the island. The only accessible way to get here is by boat, cruise ship like we are, or helicopter, unless you're willing to take an 11-mile hike to get down to these untouched beaches. As we sail away from the Napali coast, it was absolutely stunning. Day number 3, we woke up in Kailua Kona. This is a tender port. Good morning from day number 4. We were overnight here in Kona. We leave port at 2:30 today. They launch these lifeboats, and that's how you get to shore. A great 13 days in Hawaii comes to an end. We have 5 sea days until we get to Vancouver, Canada. Thank you all for watching these videos.